You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno, let's learn how to pronounce this word from Italian, derived from Greek. It means that's a place dedicated to wine, where they sell wine, generally where you can taste wine. Italian pronunciation, Enoteca. Eno is wine, teca means the place for wine. In English, the pronunciation, how to pronounce Enoteca from Italian pronunciation, Enoteca. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.